Wow, look at this majestic place that I'm visiting for the very first time in my life. To be fair, I was close by to this spot, but not actually on this one. I have been around those rocks over there that are closer to the island, and also on Nordholmana, those two islands over there. I was walking through the mud to get to the first island, and then I was walking to uh, in the water because it was not so deep. And it's time for a beach adventure with Chris from a nude beach location, nudist beach here in Värmdö, out on the open sea. It's around 2 kilometers away from the main road where I stop with the bus, and then you walk along a road with few houses, and then the nature reserve begins. And I didn't see anyone on the way on this Saturday. Currently 11 a.m. and time for a beach adventure with Chris from the sea, where I'm gonna be chilling today all day long. It's gonna be perfect weather, currently 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out in a bit the temperature in the sea. Indeed. And I just measured, believe it or not, 16 degrees Celsius in the air, which is believable because yesterday I was in Björnö, which is also in Värmdö, and there it was also 16 degrees, as we are here on the open sea, as you can see. And it's gonna be an amazing time for a swim in the beautiful nature here, all around in this perfect spot. And crystal clear waters. I will need to see how deep it is there so I can jump later. Or actually, I think I can jump already with ease. So, okay, now it seems some clouds are coming in, so I will pause until that cloud goes away so we can continue in the sun. Well, yes, I waited quite a bit, but it's definitely worth it, as I really want this beach adventure to be sunny, because I have traveled 2 hours to get here. Yep, that's right. First with the metro to Slusen, and then 1 hour bus rides, 434 bus to Sollenkroka, that goes to the port that can take you to Möja in the Stockholm archipelago. So I'm technically out in the Stockholm archipelago, seeing all those sailboats. Lots of sailboats, not so many motorboats I have seen so far. As it is obviously cheaper to have a sailboat, but then you need to know how to sail, obviously, and have wind. But in the Stockholm archipelago there is always wind, just that needs to be in the right direction also as well. Yes, okay, now let's go ahead and jump into the water and have the first swim for today here in the beautiful nature, this nudist beach spot in Värmdö. Actually in Djurö, but in the island Skarpö this is. Okay, wish me luck with my jump, because I don't know how deep it is, but I'm gonna jump horizontally, not to touch so many rocks. But ready, set, and go! Oh, it was deep enough. A lot deeper than the jump yesterday. And it's absolutely stunning and unbelievable. Look at this beautiful nature. 2 hours of travel. It was definitely worth it to get here and to be out on the sea on a sunny day like this. Last time when I was passing by here, there were people actually. Last July, that is 2025. So I went out to even more secluded spot over there, and now I realize I don't have to. I'm not sure why, but I realized that now even the beaches, the public ones, are not so with people. The bus passed by Gristringe Havsbad and there were not so many people at all on the beach, even though it's still a warm day, I would say, 21 degrees, and a weekend as well. So yeah, this would be my spot for today, my private nude beach spot that's quite huge, and I love these rock formations obviously. And let's see where I end up tomorrow, on which side of Stockholm. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel. Oh, I didn't mention, today is 8th of August, yeah, Saturday. And see you soon with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.